The Canon EOS R7 Mark II has begun to generate significant buzz after a series of leaks and rumors suggest it will be much more than just an incremental update to Canon's APS-C lineup. The leaked specifications hint at a powerhouse camera designed to rival full-frame models, offering groundbreaking features that could disrupt the current market and redefine the potential of APS-C sensors. Canon appears to be taking aim at both Sony's dominance in the mirrorless space and its full-frame offerings, and the R7 Mark II might just be the game-changer they've been preparing. If the leaks are accurate, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II will boast a 40-megapixel stacked sensor, a significant step up from its predecessor. This sensor, paired with 30 to 40 frames per second burst rates, would be a monumental leap in speed and resolution for an APS-C camera. With such high burst rates, it would be an ideal tool for fast-moving subjects like wildlife, sports, and action photography. The camera will reportedly offer 8K RAW video recording at 60 frames per second, along with 4K video at 120 FPS with minimal crop, making it a serious contender in the video space. This combination of high frame rates and resolution would make the R7 Mark II a versatile hybrid camera, catering to both still photographers and videographers alike, while keeping the price considerably lower than full-frame counterparts. One of the most exciting aspects of the EOS R7 Mark II is its autofocus system, which Canon is rumored to borrow from their flagship EOS R1. Dual-pixel autofocus with advanced subject tracking algorithms will reportedly allow the camera to lock onto subjects like a bird's eye in flight or a vehicle zooming past, offering remarkable precision at high speeds. This level of autofocus performance, combined with the burst speed, makes the R7 Mark II an attractive option for wildlife and sports photographers, who demand both rapid and accurate autofocus. For sports photographers, the ability to shoot silently at 40 FPS without mechanical shutter noise opens up entirely new possibilities, especially for shooting in environments where silence is paramount. Canon's decision to ditch the mechanical shutter in favor of a fully electronic shutter is another bold move. While some purists may initially see this as a downgrade, it allows the camera to achieve its impressive burst rates without worrying about shutter vibration or mechanical wear. The benefits of an electronic shutter are clear: no mechanical shutter means no wear and tear, quieter shooting, and better performance in terms of speed. However, the drawback of electronic shutters, such as banding under artificial lighting, could be mitigated by Canon's sensor readout speeds. If the R7 Mark II can avoid those artifacts, it could outperform the competition in terms of both burst speed and image quality under various lighting conditions. On the video front, the R7 Mark II is poised to be a powerful tool for content creators. 8K RAW video recording is expected to be a game-changer, offering filmmakers the ability to capture stunning footage without needing to rely on external recorders. In addition, the camera's 4K 120 FPS slow-motion capability provides filmmakers with the flexibility to create cinematic, high-quality videos in a compact package. The inclusion of Canon Log 3 and 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording ensures that videographers will have all the tools they need for high-end post-production work, including professional color grading. Given the rising demand for both photography and video capabilities in one camera, the R7 Mark II is poised to attract a wide range of users, from independent filmmakers to YouTubers and social media influencers. Perhaps one of the most striking advantages of the Canon EOS R7 Mark II is its affordability. With a price tag reportedly set between $1,999 and $2,200, the R7 Mark II offers features that rival full-frame cameras at a fraction of the cost. For hybrid shooters and content creators, this camera provides an incredible value, delivering flagship-level performance without the hefty price tag of a full-frame body. When you consider the price-to-performance ratio, the R7 Mark II could force a rethink of what APS-C cameras can offer, and it may tempt many photographers and videographers to consider switching from full-frame to APS-C, simply for the value and portability it offers. But the R7 Mark II isn't just about high performance at a lower price point. The camera is also designed to be practical, with a compact form factor that makes it perfect for travel and everyday shooting. APS-C lenses are typically lighter and more affordable than full-frame lenses, which makes the system more accessible for those who want high-quality results without the bulk. Additionally, the camera is rumored to have a larger battery, offering longer shooting times, which will be a huge benefit for photographers and filmmakers who need to shoot for extended periods without constantly swapping batteries. Canon is also rumored to be planning a secondary model, the EOS R7V, which will focus more on video-centric features. This version could be aimed at professional videographers, offering advanced features like higher quality audio, expanded recording formats, and more video-oriented controls. This approach would allow Canon to create two different variants of the R7 Mark II, each tailored to specific needs, but both offering the impressive performance that the camera's leaks have suggested. As for the timing of the release, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II is expected to launch in early 2026, a strategic move to avoid US tariffs and to align with the rumored release of Sony's A75. By timing the release just after Sony's new full-frame camera hits the market, Canon will be able to offer an alternative that challenges full-frame cameras with the R7 Mark II's superior features at a more competitive price. This calculated release strategy demonstrates Canon's understanding of the market and its desire to shift the focus away from full-frame cameras by offering a product that combines top-tier performance with an affordable price. Canon's decision to release an APS-C camera with such impressive specs shows that they're thinking far beyond the traditional notion of sensor size. The EOS R7 Mark II is a clear example of how advancements in sensor technology, autofocus, and video features can change the landscape of hybrid cameras. Canon isn't just making a smaller camera, they're building a camera that takes on full frame in key areas, offering features that full-frame users would want but without the burden of size, weight, and cost. All of this culminates in what appears to be a carefully calculated attack on Sony's market dominance. While the R7 Mark II may not directly challenge full-frame systems head-to-head, it is positioning itself as a serious contender for hybrid shooters who don't need a full-frame camera but want the same performance. Canon's focus on high-quality video, fast-burst shooting, and excellent autofocus could give the R7 Mark II the edge over Sony's APS-C models, making it the go-to choice for many hybrid photographers and filmmakers looking for the best of both worlds. In conclusion, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II is shaping up to be a groundbreaking camera that could change the landscape of the APS-C market. With its incredible specs, impressive video capabilities, and affordable price, it's a camera that promises to offer the performance of full-frame models at a fraction of the cost. If the leaks are correct, Canon will have created a camera that appeals to both stills photographers and videographers, offering versatility, portability, and power in one compact package. For hybrid shooters who want exceptional performance without the full-frame price tag, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II could be a game-changer.